Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel, measuring threaded pipe. Some people get tripped up when it comes to measuring threaded pipe. For instance, here you have a pipe and here you have a pipe. Let's get our calipers out. This pipe says that it's 3/4 inch. My caliper says 1.26 inches, but that's the outer. I need to measure the inner bore in order to get my 3/4 inch. Yep. So here we are now. Yep, 3/4. This says 3 inch. Sometimes it's written on the pipe, sometimes it's not. So get my calipers out. The outer diameter is 3.6, but the inner bore is 3 inch. I hope that's helped you identifying pipe sizes. Thank you. Bye bye bye.